toy. This is my brand new eotech 512 holographic laser sight. And I added a little extra something to it. A eotech laser battery cap that's fully assisted with it. Having a little fun today. And this entire little assembly is going on, if I can get it situated here, while recording at the same time. My POF 418. I'm sorry, this is not a POF 418. This is a POF Revolution 308, 12-inch barrel. Yes, I have both, the ACOG and the eotech. Overkill? Maybe so. We'll find out momentarily. Little 7-pound rifle. It's not an SBR. Little grip here. Pistol grip, as they like to call it. But yeah, I have the A4 TA50 USMC ACOG here. And I'm going to actually add my eotech on top of this also. All right, that's all I got for now.